Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Powerbeats have sufficient charge. Plug them in until the LED shows a charge. Once done, remove them from the case and press the power button to turn them on. You should see a flashing LED for pairing mode. Meanwhile, on your phone or laptop, enable Bluetooth and open the Bluetooth settings screen. Keep the device within 3 meters and avoid active audio apps that might interrupt discovery. This prepares both sides to begin the actual pairing handshake. You now initiate the pairing. In Bluetooth settings, scan for new devices and tap the entry labeled Powerbeats or the specific model number. When your device attempts to pair, it may display a prompt. Accept it and sometimes enter 0000 if a PIN is requested. Once the connection completes, you'll see a paired or connected status and often hear an audible confirmation in the earbuds. Make sure media audio is enabled for the device so sound routes correctly. Finally, verify audio by playing music and place a test call to check the microphone. If sound is low, adjust volume on both the headphones and your device. If the earbuds drop connection, restart them and your phone, then reconnect. Once done, update firmware via the Beats or device app when available to prevent issues. If nothing works, perform a factory reset. Hold the power button for 10 seconds until the LED changes, then repair. This reset often fixes stubborn pairing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.